Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to enable other language in custom VCDial. For this tutorial I'll be adding Spanish language. The same step can be followed for other languages as well. First open KingXtreme website and go to the live demo section. I will add the live demo link in the description. After opening the demo, you will see the several custom VCDial themes. You can choose any theme you like. For this tutorial, I am using theme 3. The login ID and password are already provided, so simply log in. After login, you will see the custom VCDial dashboard. Now go to System Setting. Find the option Enable Languages and set it to 1. Then set language method to MySQL and click Submit. Now let's add the new language. Go to Language and click Add New Language. Then enter the language ID 1001. Language description Spanish language. Language code to ES and select all admin user group. Then click Submit. Now go to Language. Click the import phrase link at the top. Select a new language ID. For the import action, select Add and Update phrase. Now download the latest Spanish language file from the VCDial translation page. Open the downloaded file and copy all the content. Paste the copy content into the import data field and click Submit. The import may take some time, so please wait until it's completed. Once the import is finished, go back to the same language ID. Set active to yes and submit the changes. Now the Spanish language has been added successfully. Finally, let's change the language for the admin portal. Go to the dashboard and click Change Language at the top of the screen. Select Spanish from the language list and click Submit. Refresh the page. As you can see, the VCDial admin portal is now displaying in Spanish. And that's it. You can follow the same process to add and enable other language in custom VCDial. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.